Hi Skin Games. My name is Kisha Hamilton. I'm a licensed esthetician in Goodyear, Arizona, and this is week 2 of our holistic category with Erythema. For this week, I will be explaining why I have chosen this specific treatment plan and the intentional order in which treatments will be performed for Erythema. Because Erythema skin is reactive, inflamed, and highly responsive to stress, I will not begin with any aggressive corrective treatments. The first priority will be to calm her inflammation, stabilize her skin barrier, and just regulate erythema. Without establishing this foundation, advanced treatments could actually increase flare-ups and delay healing. So I will begin with customized calming facials, lymphatic massage, and a consistent home care. These treatments will allow me to reduce erythema, support barrier repair, and calm the nervous system simultaneously. Creating a sense of safety within the skin will be essential before introducing any form of stimulation. Once Erythema skin demonstrates stability and improved hydration, I will gradually layer in controlled exfoliation, LED light therapy, ultrasound, and when appropriate, microchanneling. This order will be intentional to ensure the skin is prepared to respond positively to collagen production and cellular repair. This treatment plan will remain flexible and responsive. If stress or lifestyle factors contribute to inflammation, I will adjust the protocol to prioritize calming and recovery. When her skin responds well, I will progress treatments accordingly. This will not be a one-size-fits-all approach. It will be holistic, an adaptive plan, a treatment plan designed to work in partnership with Erythema skin to support long-term healing and visible results. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo.